The video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam related to the site Toproducts.live. So, this is a deceptive site that may unexpectedly attack your Google Chrome and other browsers. This site Toproducts.live tries to make you really scared regarding the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. So, the summary of this talk is that if you see these pop-ups by Toproducts.live, do not interact with them. Such pop-ups are fake and obviously deceptive, so you need to leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and start carefully researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from the computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.